In this section, we are going to talk briefly about drawdown. Since we know that risk management will make us money in the long run, we need to talk about what happens during that time. The market is constantly changing direction, so if you get in a buy trade, kind of like in this example, and the market moves down, you are in floating loss on that trade, or what we call drawdown. So you can see here, for example, it started off in profit, then it came down here below the point of entry. So right here, we're in what's called drawdown or a floating loss. Now, does this drawdown mean that you've lost money? Of course not. The trade is still open. In fact, with most strategies, traders are in drawdown for part of the time, and then the trade closes when it comes out of drawdown and into profit, kind of like you see in this picture here. So don't stress too much over drawdown, especially if you are following your trading system. You need to have confidence in your trading system and not let your emotions get in the way and cause you to do something irrational when you see 20% of your accounts in drawdown. Sometimes your trades will go against you so far that it hits your stop loss and closes in a loss. Let's say you have 3 of these in a row. Does that mean your strategy is no good? Of course not. You could go on to win the next 7 in a row, which would mean your system is 70% profitable. That's amazing. So remember as well that losing streaks do occur, and it doesn't mean you should throw away a strategy or get emotional with your trading. Controlling your emotions during drawdown or streaks of closed losses is going to be key to your success. This is one of the reasons why you should only risk a small percentage of your account on each trade so that you can survive any losing streaks. Remember, the goal is to have a strategy successful in the long run. You are not always going to win. In the next section, we're going to talk a little bit more about how much to risk per trade and why.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.